Hi guys, Karel Maluping here. So today we're gonna do an introductory video on the javelin throw. So what we're gonna do is we have to take a look on the proper grip, then the right positioning of the body, and on how to properly execute the throw. So let's take a look at the grip first. So the grip is very important in the javelin. So there are three ways to hold the javelin. First of all, I'm going to introduce to you the first grip, the American grip. So to do this, the index finger comes right behind the grip and then the thumb right next to it. And the rest of the three fingers will wrap around the grip. So easily you have a tight grip but also a grip that is under control. Just make sure to get this index finger really tight to the grip to transfer most of the energy. The next grip is the finish grip. So the index finger goes to the back of the javelin, then the middle finger in the middle, then your thumb is wrapped around the grip together with the rest of the two fingers. So this looks like this. And you know that some of the successful throwers uses this grip also. So the next one is one of the much easier grips, and it is the most often used when people have elbow or thumb problems. So it is the V grip. So you can show a peace sign, then put the back of the javelin into the grip. So your middle and index finger goes behind the grip, and then the thumb together with the remaining fingers wrap around the grip. So this gives you a really beautiful control, as well as it gives you the proper alignment. So now let's move on to the power position. Okay, so let's have a look at the power position. The proper power position is really important when you are mastering the javelin throw. So we're just gonna come up with the basic standing throw. But it is very important to start from the ground up to this surface up. And so what I'm gonna do is I will just focus on the feet for a moment, and then I will move up to the javelin itself to the upper body. So how do I position my feet in the javelin event? So you can see my feet are close together, and this is the best way to illustrate the proper foot position. So let's take my left foot down. I'm going to just drop it back, and it is about half a distance of the length of my foot. So let's hit my right foot. I'm gonna drop it back here, then I'm gonna move it here. Left foot forward towards the throwing sector. You can see they're offset by the line indicated on the screen. So this allows us to make the turn in the javelin so that we can start from the ground to the surface using my right turn here. So I'm gonna turn my foot, my knee in the direction of the throwing sector. So this is very standard when we're talking about the javelin event. So now that we know how to position our feet off the surface, let's have that lower body connect to the upper body. So what we're gonna do here is that we would like you to extend the javelin like here, straight like this. Take your feet on the opposite position and just turn them like this. So this allows us to do the make that move to turn to the throwing sector. So once you have that position, just move your weight to the back leg so you can see this. So this allows us to change the javelin's position to our angle of attack. And then make that all important turn here. Javelin straight up. Nice rotation here. Then I'm gonna extend my arm. And then there you go, the basic standing throw. So in this particular position, follow the standard positions that we had learned earlier. Then what we're gonna do here is that we'll count to 3 and then throw. Just remember to initiate your body from the surface up to, and this is a really good way to get used to that impulse droid and helps you to master the basics of throwing the javelin. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.